So I have my glue ring instead of the other because I like to work with my lashes all close by. So I have my glue ring on one finger and I have my lashes on the other one, or I could have put the glue in there. Okay, so then I hold my isolate here, so make sure this kind of shows, yep, and then I can grab my lash this way. So that when you grab your lash that you don't squeeze it too tight because you'll crimp it. So make sure that it shows, you know, that it's not crimped and that it's sweeping upwards, not tilted over, right? And we're going to dip it into the glue. So see how I have my glue right down here where my tweezer is? And I want to dip it in so that it gets like isolate, so that we have one lash. Now it's separating into 3 little beads. That's perfect, that's what you want. And we're going to put it on just at the root but not touching the root. So you can sweep it